Windows can't find the Cabinet Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Before we get into the technical process for Cabinet Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This DLL file is the Microsoft Cabinet File Library. It provides the core API for creating and extracting .cab archive files, which are used extensively by the OS for installing updates and system components. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The Cabinet Library DLL is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Cabinet Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of the Cabinet Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on the Cabinet Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve the Cabinet Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.